Hello and welcome, new and old subscribers. If you are a visitor, subscribe now. And if this is your first time, I'm thrilled that you're here. Let's get this Dollar Tree haul started. We have these lovely three pieces items by Cousin DIY. They are unfinished wood surfaces, and you can check out their website. It's on their packaging. And each one is three pieces. The first one is heart. It has a small, medium, large, then a star, small, medium, large, and finally a circle, small, medium, and large. They actually remind me of the ones at Dollar General. They have some that are very similar, so probably the same company. So if you've seen the ones at Dollar General, now they have them at Dollar Tree. But they may be a dollar at Dollar General. I do not know. So if you love to craft, these are three wonderful pieces to add to your collection. This is not a new item, it's a repeat item. These are wood ornaments, perfect time with Christmas. You can do DIY ornaments on your own with your children for an activity. And it has three pieces, so three pieces of wood and some twine to go with it. And I will link my kind of DIY kind of ornament napkin that you can kind of follow. There's so many of them out there on the web. This is a Disney Villains brush. It's kabuki. I believe that's how you pronounce it. And this is a pink one to match the villains. And you're saying, what is a kabuki brush? It is a type of makeup brush with a short, thick handle and a dense, round head of soft bristles. It is primarily used to apply and blend powder products such as foundation, blush, bronzer on your face. The name comes from the traditional Japanese theater where performers use similar brushes for their elaborate makeup. And they have a purple one as well. We have two lip gloss by the Disney Villains collection. The first one is Ultra Shimmer Lip Gloss, and it's purple as you can see. And then the second one is pink, and it's just a regular lip gloss. So you get to choose if you want the regular lip gloss or the ultra lip gloss. Ultra shimmer lip gloss. I take that back. We have this item by Beauty Intuition. This is eyeshadow palette, smoky tones. It looks like the gray, and the very last one may be black, but most of these kind of look different shades of gray. And it's long lasting, smooth application. And the next one is the smoky browns. And you can see the different shades of brown that give you that brown, smoky eye. Let me know if you do, which one you prefer, the brown smoky eye or the gray smoky eye. We have Anti-Wrinkle by Extra Care with AHA and collagen compared to Pond's Rejuvenates, and it's 6 ounces. Nice size. This is a micro needle facial roller, and it's 0.25 millimeter needles by Simply Beauty. Restores your skin, and it has a little casing to it, and it produces and stimulates estrogen and collagen, reduces appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, gently micro exfoliates skin. Apply daily skin care products. Socks, and more socks planners, Egos, cool, awesome, Pop-Tarts, Minions. Let's see, next we have Monopoly. That's the first time I've seen Monopoly. And a Hostess Jumbo Honey Bun, Nutter Butter, Forrest Gump, Doritos, and Oreos. My Dollar Tree finally has the 10-inch turnable tables. I guess the Lazy Susan, as are also called, by Sure Fresh. Uh, My Dollar Tree never did get the other Lazy Susans, but they got this one, the 10-inch. And of course, I got it. Holiday baking. Right on time, right? Holidays are just around the corner. Actually, Thanksgiving is next week. Can you believe it? Wow. And then less than a month later, Christmas. Are you prepared? I'm not. I'm starting, but I'm not prepared yet. Have you started getting ready for the holidays? Let me know. It'd be very interesting to find out who and who has not prepared for the holidays. We have watercolor colored pencil by Jot. There's 12, and there's even a paint brush included. And you can see the different colors. They have orange, yellow, green, and it rounds out to 12. These are Waggles, and you can see these are just nice little stocking stuffers or just little small gifts you can give away to the children or anyone. We have two of these. One, they're both by Big Mama. One's Big Mama Pickle Sausage, and the other one is Tijuana Mama Pickle Sausage. And I'm assuming the Tijuana one is supposed to be much hotter than the regular Big Mama Pickle Sausage. Does anyone like pickle sausage? Now it's time for our Dollar Plus section. It may include one, two, or even more Dollar Plus items for you to enjoy. These are Mega Gorillas by Toy Box, and it said try it, so I'm squeezing it. Hopefully you can hear the background of me squeezing it, and you can stretch it. And they have a green monster and a purple one, so I'm stretching it for you can see. Another little great gift item, or just a gift to play with, and I'm just stretching the arm of this one just to give you a little bit more. Dinosaurs in our world. This is a roll desk. It contains one plastic desk, 20 feet, activity roll, and 6 markers. They have a dinosaur one, and they have it's a Gabby dollhouse, so kind of like a girl one with, is it gutter? Yeah, glitter. Sorry, glitter. And so these are great, as I said before, like fill in gifts. They're nice gifts, but they're not the main gift. You need some filler gifts, not stocking stuffer because it's too big to be a stocking stuffer. So a great fill in gift, just an idea. Oh, well, last but not least, we have a dinosaur. It says push to try, a nice gift or an activity. Well, everyone, this is all I have for today. Don't forget to watch all my videos and like all of my videos. And like I always say, be blessed until the next time and be better than yesterday.